Hello, thanks for coming today. We're hoping to build a mobile app and web app that will help people discover their new interests and activities. The goal of our app is to take people's current interests and suggest new things to try, and also just to make it easier to find and book activities specific to needs such as location, expenses, time, etc. So we have a paper prototype of our possible app design, and you're here to help us figure out what we need to fix and keep with our current design. We're just going to give you a task to complete on your paper prototype, and we're going to see if our design is clear and achieves what it should. You aren't being tested, but our design is. Thanks again.
Please try to discover a new art skill to try out without creating a profile.
Okay. So I guess it says start with picking my location and date. So here's the location. The date, let's see, I'll do February, Friday, 14th through like the 20th. So I'm guessing I probably click them right here and put them in. And then there. I was thinking of dragging across here, but I think this is probably the way to go. So that's done, so I'll hit next. Alright, select as much as you like to try from. I'll hit art, food, sports, adventure. Alright, they give us new recommendations, specify your selections for us. I'll hit skydiving.
Remember, your goal is to discover a new art skill.
Oh, art, yeah.
Is the handwriting legible enough?
Traditional dance.
Sure, I guess that counts.
Search.
Oh. I guess we have to make an option for that.
I'll click skydiving.
But let's just say that's an option for traditional dance.
Oh, wait, okay.
Oh, glass blowing.
Glass blowing.
Okay.
He successfully discovered glass blowing. Okay, your current goal is to book a thrilling activity for your next birthday.
Okay. So I'll start with my location, which is here. See, my birthday is February 26th, so I'll click here. And I'll also have that be the only option for myself. So for my birthday, I'm interested in doing something with adventure, nature, sports, or food. Ooh, skydiving for my birthday sounds pretty fun. Base my recommendations. Here's the skydiving course. I'm going to click right here. All right, I'll book 2, so I'll probably bring someone along.
Situation is you're going to book a concert, but immediately after you book it, you need to cancel your purchase.
Okay. So I'm interested in concerts. Search. Here's the concert. I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna book it. Future activities. So it says I got this concert scheduled for later in the week. I see an X here, so I'm gonna imagine that's how I'd cancel it. So I'm gonna click the X here.
Yay!
Whoa!
The user in the first video ran into an issue when they attempted to select the traditional dance, but there was not an option for traditional dance in the selections page. The way that we fixed that going forward was we added a post-it note with an option right here in case they picked that. Going forward on our prototype and the actual design that we create itself, we'll make sure that every branch that you can go down has options that can be picked. The second observation that we didn't record was that the user was confused with the prompts in the beginning, such as asking initially where and when, and these categories rather than having a search bar immediately. The way that we decided that we're going to fix that going forward is, along with the skip function, which they did figure out how to use, we want to include a skip straight to search bar function in case somebody has very specific activities in mind. The third user had a hard time figuring out how to cancel the concert that they had booked, which would be done by this button here, but I think the way to fix that would be making it a little bit more clear that this is a cancel. In fact, maybe making it red, having it say cancel event, something like that. Just making it more explicit going forward about how to cancel an event. Those are our 3 observations from each user and how we would solve them.